Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video, we are going to understand how to add Google Ads leads to Flodesk as subscriber. So I'm an owner of a gym and to promote my gym, I'm running some Google Ads. So now here in this case, I want that whenever I receive a new lead through my Google Ads, then automatically the lead received should be added as a subscriber in my Flodesk account so that I can send the follow-up emails to my leads. So here to automate this entire process, I need to connect these applications using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So in this video, we are going to understand how to add Google Ads leads to Flodesk as subscriber. So as I've already mentioned in my introduction that I run a local gym and I have been using Google Ads to attract new members. So when someone fills out their details to learn more about the gym, I want to follow up with them quickly. So by connecting my Google Ads leads to my Flodesk, every time I get a new lead, the information is automatically added to my Flodesk email list. So this way I can immediately send them welcome emails, special offers or updates about our classes without having to manually enter their details. It saves me time and ensures that potential members stay engaged with the gym. So here to automate this entire process, I need to connect my Google Ads with my Flodesk account, and here to build this connection, I'm going to use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software, and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically like updating customer info across platforms or sending notifications when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. Plus, it keeps everything organized and error-free so you can focus on growing your business hassle-free. So this is the homepage of Pabbly Connect and you can visit it by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect. Here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as add Google Ads leads to Flodesk as subscriber. And here I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this learn more link given over here. And by clicking on this, it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. So now moving back to my Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here in my trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger application as Google Ads because I want to receive the new leads from my Google Ads. So Google Ads is an online advertising platform where businesses can create ads that appear on Google search results and other websites. People use Google Ads to promote their products or services because it helps them reach potential customers right when they are searching for something similar. You can set your own budget, target specific audience, and only pay when someone clicks on your ad. It's a popular way for businesses to drive traffic, generate leads, and increase sales. So here in my Google Ads trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new lead form entry. So that whenever I'm going to receive new lead through my Google Ads, then automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response. Or you can say that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead from my Google Ads, then automatically this entire workflow is going to get triggered. And now here after selecting my trigger event, you can see I have received a webhook URL. That means here I'm going to use this webhook URL to connect my Google Ads with Pabbly Connect. So here following the instructions given below, firstly here I'm going to copy this webhook URL And now let me take you to my Google Ads account. So this is my Google Ads account, and here I'm going to create a new test campaign because here I'm not running any live campaign, and here we are going to do a test submission. So for that I'm going to create a test campaign first. So I'm going to create a test lead form. For that I'm going to click on this lead forms button, and here I'm going to create a new test campaign over here. So for that, here my business name is going to be Fitness Hub because I'm running a local gym. So this is my business name, and here for the description I'm going to enter the description as please fill out this form. So this is the description, and then here it is asking me for the questions. So here I want my form should contain name. For that I'm going to select first name and last name, and then the phone number, email, and the city. So here you can see my form that it will look like this. So here I'm running a test campaign, but if I will be running a live campaign, then my form will look like this over there. So now I'm scrolling a little down, and here after selecting my specific fields, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to click on this lead delivery option given over here. And here after clicking on this lead delivery option, here you can see it is asking me for the webhook URL and the key. So here in this webhook URL field, I need to enter the webhook URL where I want to receive the form responses. So here for the webhook URL field, I'm going to enter the webhook URL that I've received in my Pabbly's workflow. So this is my webhook URL, and then here for the key, I'm going to give a name to my key, that is test key over here. And now here after entering the webhook URL and the key, I'm going to click on this send test data because I want to receive a test response for this particular form. So I'm going to click it, and here you can see it says test data sent. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have successfully received a response over here, and here you can see the response that we have received is a test response because here we have done a test response in our form. So here you can see the city as Mountain View. Here you can see the email as test@example.com. Scrolling little down, here you can see a test phone number. Here you can see the last name as last name and first name as first name, and here you can see some other details as well. So with this we have successfully set up a trigger over here. So now here after getting the response from our Google Ads, I want to add the lead received to my Flodesk as a new subscriber. So for that, let me take you to my action step, and here in this action step, I'm going to select my action application as Flodesk. So Flodesk is an easy to use email marketing platform designed to help businesses create beautiful professional looking emails. People love Flodesk because of its stunning design templates and simple drag and drop editor, making it perfect for non-designers. It's great for building eye-catching newsletters, automating email campaigns, and growing your audience. Whether you're promoting products, sharing updates, or building relationships with your customers, Flodesk makes email marketing look good and feel effortless. So here in my Flodesk action step, I'm going to select my action event as create or update subscriber, so that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through my Google Ads, then automatically that lead is going to add as a subscriber in my Flodesk account. And now here to connect my Flodesk with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Flodesk account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Flodesk. And here you can see my email and the password has already been pre-filled because here I'm already logged in my Flodesk account. So I'm going to click on this sign in directly. And here you can see Pabbly Connect is requesting permission to access my Flodesk account. So here I'm going to click on this allow and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. Authorization successful. So here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me for the field first. So here in the help text it says choose by which you want to create or update subscribers. So I want to create a subscriber or I want to update the subscriber based on the email of that particular subscriber. So here I'm going to select the field as email. And now here after selecting my field, here it is asking me for the field value. So here in the field value, I need to enter the value of the particular field that I have selected over here. So here I need to enter the email of my lead. So here instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I've received in my trigger step. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that whenever we are going to receive new lead from our Google Ads, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here for the field value, I'm going to map the email. So this is my lead's email that I've received. So here I'm going to map it. Moving forward, and then here for the first name, I'm going to map my lead's first name. So this is my lead's first name. So here I'm going to map it. And here for the last name, I'm going to map my lead's last name. So this is my lead's last name. And now here, after entering all the required details, moving forward, and then here it is asking me send opt-in confirmation emails to subscribers. So for that I'm going to select no, but you can select it as per your need. And then here it is asking me for the opt-in IP and the opt-in timestamp. So here these fields are not a required field, so here I'm going to leave them blank. But if you want to add any other detail, then you can do it as per your need. And now here, after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received the successful response. That means we have successfully created a new subscriber in our Flodesk account. So now let's go and check it. Here I'm going to refresh it. And here you can see we have successfully created a new subscriber with the email as test@example.com. Here you can see the first name and the last name. So with this, we have successfully set up our automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken a trigger as Google Ads and an action as Flodesk. So that whenever we are going to receive new lead through our Google ad, then automatically that lead is going to add as a subscriber in our Flodesk account. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can contact us on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can contact us on www.pabbly.com. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.